Hi there, and welcome back to Northlight Photographic Workshops. Got to apologize for being absent for so long. I put a couple things up online, the salt printing thing that you can see up here right now, and another thing on using the step wedge tool. But unfortunately, to explain a little bit about what happened is that back in June, YouTube took away my monetization because they said that I was reusing copyrighted material, and basically it took me 2 months of different appeals and things to prove that I was in fact owner of my material, and so anyway, they've now reinstated me. So with that, I'm going to start producing a few more videos these days, and I'm going to be starting up real soon with Iceland and the Faroe Islands, which I leave day after tomorrow. Trips have been planned for a long time, and fortunately these are a go. I have to have a negative COVID test taken tomorrow, hopefully, cross fingers. And then I'll be on my way to Iceland, and then on to the Faroe Islands for a week, and then back to Iceland. And I have another couple of days off, and then I have another group that I'm going to be leading for another week up in the West Fjords in a place called Djupavik. So I plan to be producing some videos there, and I'm hoping that you'll follow me along with me. And anyway, another thing that I got to say here is that my good friend Carrot Kuklis, who is going to be on these trips, has kindly afforded me the use of his Mavic Air, Mavic 2 Air, and I'm not going to be taking the Phantom on this trip. Just kind of bulky, and I don't want to take an extra case right now. I'm kind of going to travel light on this one. So anyway, hopefully I won't be lacking anything on the trip, but it's incredible. This little drone folds up, goes in my camera bag just like another lens, and I've been doing some tests with it, and it does some really wonderful video. Although it does not have a 1-inch sensor on it, it does really nice 4K video, and I do believe that there's a Mavic Pro in my future as soon as they upgrade it from the 2 to the 3. But anyway, I'm out here at the beach on Sturgeon Bay. You can probably hear the waves in the background, and I'm running this thing through a few of its paces, so I'll show you some of the clips. But anyway, again, thanks for bearing with me and for sticking with the channel. It's been nice. There's still been a lot of people watching the videos, and I really appreciate that. And again, I apologize for not putting anything out there, but it was hard after a year of working towards monetization to have them take it away from me all of a sudden, and my heart wasn't in it really, Anyway, I'm back at it now, and like I say, I'm really hoping over the next few weeks, I'm going to be gone for 3 weeks. I'm going to be in both Faroe Islands and Iceland, and I'm hoping to document the trip, and I'll bring you some clips here and there from it along the way. Not really sure what kind of internet connection I'm going to have, but when I can upload, I will. So please stick with me. Anyway, and thanks for being patient. I'm going to now sign off and get back to doing some flying. If you enjoyed yourself, please give me a thumbs up. Although I hate groveling for that, I'm going to stop saying that. I really appreciate you all watching, and I really appreciate the fact that you've been contacting me and enjoying things and buying the little prints that you can buy and everything that I've made offers for. I wish more people came with me to Iceland and Faroe Islands, although we've got a pretty good group. But maybe next year. All right, so with that, see you when I get to the airport. Take care. Bye.